On the episode where there's many roads, and for some reason it's multicolored and it's never really explained. Anyway, there are many vehicles on this list, on here. Most of them knew each other, but not all of them, which is kind of the main plot device in the story. One day, Madge was going across, basically going on the road. She knew she was gonna get a job soon, and she had just received a wash down. That's when Sir Topham Fat showed up. You are not my controller. That is Mr. Percival. Well, we don't own a Mr. Percival, so I guess I'm here. Oh, okay. How wonderful. I guess. All right. You will have to take a luggage and deliver it to a post office. Is that far away? Not that much far, but it's probably at least 10 minutes. Wash behind Bobber. What? Bye. Wait, what? I don't understand. What? And also, there aren't as many as steamrollers as lorries, but still some steamrollers. Buster was plowing the sections of the road.
Good morning.
Well, as told to do, so don't get mad if this really gets out of hand in the episode.
Just plowing.
Which it probably will. Anyway, Buster was plowing. Yeah, no spoilers at all, it probably will. Buster was plowing on the line. There were also other vehicles that stayed on here. The cars, Buster and Madge, despite some of them not knowing each other that well, they sometimes pull tricks on each other. Buster was about to plow, but then he realized one section had already been plowed. It was Ralph, the orange car. He was friends with a steamroller that had already plowed the section of the road, which means Buster was just stuck. Which means Buster realized is that he didn't have to do it on this section, but he still thought he had to at that one section. And Ralph thought it was pretty funny.
Is this cement already wet? I sure think it is. My friend was just through here. Oh, why did they tell me to plow then? I think it was just a misunderstanding. Now my wheels are all gummed up.
It was only that section. Also, what am I doing on the wet road? I gotta get out of here. Madge was making her deliveries around the line. She was going around and Buster was finished. And he had finished, but he stopped when he came to the bridge. And that's when... Oh!
Excuse me.
I don't really get mad because I never really had a bad face in the show. And the fact they're just pretty nice in general. Hello, I'm not really that bad. Anyway, I think I've seen you. But, wait a minute. Are you plowing this?
I was told to do the whole road.
Did the fat controller tell you? Well,
is that what you call him?
I think.
Yeah,
I think that's what people call him. But,
yeah.
well, So now we're just stuck on this bridge in there until the road dries up because, yeah.
Absolutely. You and the cement wet, you won't be able to drive on it.
You won't be able to move too.
No, that's for sure. That's why I come up here and rest when I'm done. But I can't leave. I'm stuck.
Oh no! Said Madge.
That's the problem with a road like this. It's circular.
Why is it circular? Why is it circular? I know I can't get mad that easily, but I still want revenge. There is the workers heading off on that plane. Good thing I have this.
Oh.
I don't know where I was keeping it, but it's just there now.
Good thing you have it. Maybe we can use it for something. We're going to be stuck here for a long time.
Oh, this isn't for escaping. Oh. Escaping is a fine idea, but I plotted revenge.
That's
Why isn't the plane moving? Wait a minute. It's taped. Seriously, how is tape holding down an entire plane? Wait, what the? It's leaving without me! Ah!
Good plan, Madge. Serves him right.
Yes, he would not be this whole monstrous situation. This is probably the good. Yay! We're in the right in there. I don't know why I keep saying in there, but it's fun to say it. Ha ha! In there! In there! In there! I don't know why, I just like saying that. What do we use for this? Oh yeah, we can use it for escaping and... I saw what's happened to here. No! That's not changing. You say no when I said I saw what happened here. Doesn't mean I didn't see what happened here.
Sir!
But you told us to do the thing on the thing!
You're the reason we're stuck. Yeah, exactly. You're the reason we're stuck here. You told me to pave the roads, but she can't make her delivery because her wheels would get all stuck. You should have remembered that. I wouldn't have paved it when she needed the road. Oh, what a mess we're in.
Oh, let's see what's happened here. Okay. Batman! Batman! Okay, the station master. What the Burger King do you want? I know they're stuck. The steamroller, the lorry, Madge, and Buster. Yeah, they're stuck. I know. Then the new engine coming. Oh.
Yeah?
Did he just abandon us in there?
Yeah.
Oh goodness. No, did I overshot? That was kind of stupid because it was the only way we could escape. Oh no. Now we're more stuck than ever. Oh, wait a minute. New cars are coming too. The cars are coming too. Ooh, someone's coming.
Oh.
Sorry. We need to fit on a bridge. Oh. Okay. What's next?
Oh.
Sorry. Okay, sorry guys. Oh. Wait,
Hey.
where's Jack?
Crowded here.
Where's Jack? He's not here. Oh crap, where is he? I thought he was coming
Where
on
is
the
he?
way with us. Yeah, maybe, but you do see right. You do see how many vehicles there are on some small piece of road, right? There's not even any roads like right next to each other. It's just one big piece. That's kind of stupid if you think about it. Oh, sorry. Jack, you're here. Yeah. I need a... make it. Hey, buddy, get off me. That's not a sensor. I'm an idiot. Oh, goodness. That messy buffer now has seven vehicles stuck on one bridge in there.
What are we supposed to do?
So many things on top of a bridge. It's apology impossible all over again.
We're stuck, Madge.
Oh no. Oh
I was only
no.
doing what I'm told. I'm serious.
That's fine.
Well, wait a minute. Did we forget to warn some of the other cars? Well, that's not a concern right now because there's an engine coming by. It's specifically close to the road.
An engine?
Ah, what a beautiful day it is. Why is it down this bridge? What the? Is that really how these people's minds work? Hey, Henry. Oh, hey, Toby. Do you know where the... can I get on your track? Why? There's another engine coming by, and they're going fast. Can I get on your, rail line? Okay. Thanks. You're welcome, but who's this engine? I think it's, oh my god, they're coming. Wait a minute. That's Spencer! Yeah. I mean, I'm not pulling anything. I don't know why I'm going so fast, but just to brag. I mean, I'm not trying to brag on what else's face is. Well, I mean, I kind of am, but... Wait, is that another fast-speed engine? What am I talking about? It's fast. It's... Oh, how rude. Oh, maybe that's just what truck speed is. I get excited. Wow. Are they going the same way? And our track's not set. What were you doing? Dude, you were coming my way. How'd you even get on that way? It's just there. How do you reverse that way? Oh, it's a long story that I prefer not telling. And it's also just a plot hole, so just no. Oh my, now we can't go this way. I think we're gonna have to reverse. Oh, my God. What is all this? Like some fast-speed engines just coming around and crashing into these. Like, what is this type of railway? Wait a minute. Is that Bert? What the? A crash! I have to brake! No, I tell you to wait! I'm on the road! Dude, they're not 3-year-olds watching this. You don't have to narrate yourself. Oh yeah, you're right. Oh crap! Stuck here. Yeah, it's not good. How are we? And I can't go anywhere either because the road was just plowed because a fat man just told a steamroller to do it. Seriously, it's just. Oh my God, we gotta get their attention. Yeah, can't really move right now. Kind of in like a pain crisis. Pain crisis? That's a crisis in there. That is a stupid in there. There's not a crisis in there. Is it anything without saying in there? Okay.
She's just trying to help. We're all
In
stuck.
there. Okay. Do you want me to help you or not? Well, you can't move too. I don't know how I moved. Maybe it was like forced from my speed or something. Because I was in the crash. Oh no, we're stuck forever. I have an idea. The ramp over there? First of all, since when was that over there? And second of all, how is that gonna help?
You're right. This might be a
It's
good idea.
gonna be wonderful. You see? You'll see. Just you wait. Just you wait. How is this gonna work? Oh, wait a minute. This is not gonna work, I don't think. Wait, is that actually coming with line? Oh, I have to start another horrid day with the... What happened here? Why is everybody all gathered up? The ramp is here. I must get out of the way of those who are facing the way to jump. Jump while you can.
Do it.
Oh, finally. Ah! Where are they? Where are they? Oh, what the? Ah! Again? Come on! You have no respect for your elders. That wasn't on purpose. Whatever. All right. Well, time to go off. I know this probably won't mean I'm no longer relevant, but whatever. Let's find out what lasted. Oh, goodness. This is a real messy buffalo.
Good job, buddy.
Yeah, come on. Okay. No, I'm stuck. Oh, thank you.
That's nothing.
Well, we gotta go back the other way, and... Well, one of us has to be next. What are we gonna do? Well, I don't know. But this is the type of thing where you should probably go next because you're ahead of us and we can probably jump over you because you're bigger. Okay. Ah! I guess it's just us. We shall jump.
Alone again. I don't know if I can do it. I'm so heavy with my roller. I'll try.
Oh, wait. This was our attempts were pathetic in there. And I have an idea. I have this log strip, but I know what to do with it. The air. Paul. Could somebody please? Oh no, we're stuck. This was a bad idea on my part. What's this box doing here? I gotta take this back.
Oh, we're moving. Oh.
Let's go! Oh, goodness, I have quite the tail to tell the narrow gauge engines. I still don't know what this is doing at the tracks.